Living coast, anchoring Jamaica's future.
Jamaica is blessed with breathtaking coastal landscapes, lush mangroves, thriving coral reefs, and diverse fish populations, all accompanied by the gentle sound of the Caribbean Sea. This natural wealth, however, is increasingly under threat. Rising sea temperatures, pollution, and climate change push Jamaica's marine ecosystems to the brink. Mangroves are disappearing, coral reefs are bleaching, and habitats are degrading, putting countless species at risk and threatening the livelihoods of local communities. Living Coast, anchoring Jamaica's future, addresses these urgent challenges. The project aims to rehabilitate Jamaica's coasts through nature-based solutions, restoring habitats while increasing resilience against climate impacts. A network of 6 specialized stations is being established, strategically placed along the shoreline. Each station is designed for a specific coastal habitat, ranging from urban waterfronts and mangrove forests to seagrass beds, coral reefs, deep sea zones, estuaries, and shorelines. Each site is tailored to local conditions to ensure that interventions are effective and sustainable. This network creates a living system of restoration that connects ecosystems and communities. Restoration strategies fall into 3 main categories. First, climate adaptation and water management, including green flood barriers, bioactive wave breakers, and infiltration basins in urban areas. Second, habitat enhancement and biodiversity, achieved through floating wetlands, coral and mangrove nurseries, and eco-friendly docks. Third, health, research, and education, featuring rescue pools for marine life, underwater monitoring systems, and kayaks equipped with microfiltration devices. Let's take a closer look at how these strategies unfold in 3 remarkable locations. Jackson Bay, mangrove restoration, focused on restoring mangroves supported by stilt-like architectural structures. This lost habitat plays a critical role in carbon storage and coastal protection. Buff Bay, brackish water zone, characterized by numerous river mouths, here an ecologically designed bridge improves water quality while creating new habitats for fish and other species. Unity Bay, shoreline protection, a vital nesting ground for sea turtles that faces severe coastal erosion. Wave breakers, sediment management, and a marine animal rescue center work together to protect this fragile shoreline. Living Coast shows us that by using strategic design, locally adapted interventions, and nature itself as a tool, endangered ecosystems can not only be preserved, but actively regenerated. This project is a vision, a starting point, but also a promise for safeguarding Jamaica's coastal future for generations to come. Anchoring Jamaica's future.